Hi, today in front of me Motorola E32s, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then the Play Store application, and then tap to the search. Here in the search we should enter the name of the app, the Ampere. So now let's tap to install and let's get this first application. So just let's wait a couple of seconds, and after that we should tap to open the app. So now click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. So here we'll see information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 32.1 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.